Prayerful, humble, kind, and joyful. Ito po ang ipangako natin kay Mama Mary, and she'll be very, very, very happy. I miss my mama. I learned 4 things. Number 1, be prayerful. Pag nagdadasal ka, lahat po, everything falls into place. Pray more. Number 2, Mama was a humble person. Let's be humble. Humility is the key to many of our problems. Pag wala na pong humility, ang gulo na po ang puso, ang gulo ng pamilya, ang gulo na ng bayan, ang gulo na pong mundo. Let's go back to humility. 3, Mama was a kind person. Please be kind. Alam po nyo, people will forget how rich you are, how beautiful you are, how powerful you are, how eloquent you are. But people will never forget how kind you were to them. People never forget kindness. Ang pinakamaganda pong madinig nyo later on, yun si Kwan, napakabait nun. That's the best compliment. And finally, joy.